Hello everyone! Today I have a quick and easy recipe to share with you for a chocolate avocado chia pudding. This is a light and delicate chocolate pudding full of healthy fats and protein and with a rich dark chocolate flavor. For those of you new to eating healthy, this combination of avocado with chocolate and chia seeds may sound a little different, but it works really well and this chocolate pudding is really good. We all know that avocados are loaded with healthy fats and they're very low in carbs. The chia seeds are high in omega-3 essential fatty acids and are also high in protein, fiber, calcium, and B vitamins. They're also the star of this recipe because they give our pudding a nice texture without the need of eggs. So let's dive right into the recipe. You can make this in a blender or a food processor. So first, let's open our avocado and make sure to scrape all of that darker green flesh near the skin because a lot of the nutrients are concentrated in there. Add it to your food processor. The best type of avocado to use in this recipe is one that you like to eat and you like the taste. So grab your favorite avocado and use it in this recipe. Now add our antioxidant-rich raw cacao powder to the bowl, vanilla extract, a little bit of cinnamon, the chia seeds, a pinch of salt, water or any milk of your choice, and your sweetener of choice. I'm using a little coconut sugar and raw honey. Now just process for a few seconds and scrape the sides of your bowl if you need to. We're gonna let it chill in the fridge for about 20 to 30 minutes to allow the chia seeds to expand and thicken our pudding. This recipe makes 4 to 6 servings and I like to serve it chilled, so I usually make this ahead of time before serving. But either way, grab a nice serving dish and enjoy. I like to top my chocolate avocado chia pudding with fruits. Today I'm using freeze-dried strawberries and some macadamia nuts to give it some crunch, which I love. I hope you make this healthy recipe and you enjoy it with your friends and your family. Thank you so much for watching. If you want me to make more recipes using avocados or chia seeds, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys again and I will see you next week.